I'm here to share how much I love working with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. I'm Karie Anthony, and I'm with REMAX Elite in Linwood, and I've been a realtor for over 6 years. I've worked with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection my entire career. What I love about working with them is their fantastic customer service, as well as their easy online booking system. And my clients, they love the interactive information that they get in their home inspection report. When my client chooses to work with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection, I'm relieved because I know that it will be a good experience for everyone involved.